Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Firoz Rafif Mumtaz.
And my name is Gabriel Gibran El-Pasha. We would like to present our project designing website prototype private teacher seeker Cagur. First, research background. 1. Learning is a mandatory thing that students do in order to be able to compete with other students. That's why personal study service is a must to achieve more optimal student learning outcomes. 2. The high demand for private tutors make it difficult to find private tutors. 3. The main problem that must be resolved in case of teacher scarcity is that there are no parties who bring teachers and students together according to the needs of student and teacher expertise. 4. Responding to this, one of the options that became the choice is with the help of information technology. 5. So we are as the researcher innovate to create website that facilitates meetings between personal teachers and students, which will later be referred as Cagur.
Based on the research background, our research problem are how to make a Cagur website-based application, what feature will Cagur provide, how is Cagur operating system. Next, research objective. Knowing how to make a Cagur website-based application. Find out what features are appropriate on the Cagur website. Knowing the Cagur operating system. Looking how broad our research is, we decide some research limitation. Designing a Cagur website prototype where the system does not store data and the student account user will not be configured to the teacher account, and the map feature is not configured directly to the system.
Research methods. Our research was carried out in the FATIH Bilingual School using some tools like laptop and some software, namely Visual Studio Code, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and GitHub. Next, system design. There are 4 steps in designing system, namely, first, analysis. At this stage, an analysis of the functional requirement that will be available in the web application is carried out. Second, use case diagram. The design of this website begins with the detailed design of the page that will be displayed in the application. Third, code. Using Visual Studio Code as the text editor, the programming language used are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. 4. Testing. Testing the system using the black box. Black box testing, or also known as behavioral testing, is a test that is carried out to observe the input and output results of the software without knowing the code structure of the software.
Result and discussion. Result of function requirement are shown in this table. The use case diagram is shown in this diagram. Next, website design result. Login as a student. After login as a student, the student will see the grade from grade 1 until grade 12, and also the lesson like math, English, or science. And we also can see the time we want to meet to the teacher. In the bottom, we also can see the active class. We can see the class we already ordered, like science with Mr. Patrick, the tech with Mr. Sambo, English. In here we can see the lesson, like science, and the time, like 10 AM, 5 PM, also the 2 PM. And at the right side, we can see the profile of the student, like the name, the email, and the phone number. And the student can also put the image, the picture here. After we choose the grade, the lesson, and the time, we click the order now. And then after we choose the place, our location, click go. There's will pop up and click OK. We'll go back to the student dashboard. In the system, we'll find the active teacher that we can meet and study together. Now, I will explain about the teacher part. Login as teacher now. And we'll see the teacher dashboard here. There is an order, and here we can see the subject and the student that order the teacher. For example, like we did order science at 10 o'clock and his grade. So here the student will order the subject, the time, and the grade, so we can accept or reject it. And in the right side also we have the profile, so the teacher can include the name, there's an email, and there's a phone number. The order, we can choose to accept or reject the student order. So if we choose accept, there will be the pop-up will appear, and to make sure the teacher accept or reject it. For example, if we accept this text like already you accepted, okay, just click OK, and the order will disappear. Also, if you choose reject, as we say, you cancel the order to make sure you, and click OK again, it will also disappear. So it's all.
Going to the last result, testing. The testing result can be seen in the table shown. There are 6 tests: selection, result, and status. Can be designed using the code editor, CSS, JavaScript to create web page. Second, the basic feature provided are class selection, lesson, and time, as well as active class to find out which has been ordered. Third, the operating system of Cagur is to get requests from students, then look closest to the registered in the design class.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.